बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तासीर अल्ट्रा एडवांस वीनस एनलार्जमेंट थेरेपी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। टुडे आई एम योर होस्ट हकीम एंड डॉक्टर तारिक महमूद तासीर, कंसल्टेंट सेक्सोलॉजिस्ट, अल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट, एक्सपर्ट मेल एंड फीमेल इनफर्टिलिटी, चेयरमैन तासीर पेशेंट वेलफेयर सोसाइटी, एंड यू आर वाचिंग योर फेवरेट प्रोग्राम खुशगवार अज़वाज ज़िंदगी। Today I will explain about the disease male weakness, it causes, its symptoms and way of treatment that Taseer Dawahana is offering for cure this disease, which name is Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy. By using this course, you can increase your penis up to 1 inch. The ways to go more fast: men who wish they had more stamina in the bedroom sometimes reach for male enhancement therapy. This is common complaint among all men, especially while age creeps upon us. That size of your penis is not might enough, that your erection strength might not always be what you want it to be. Sometimes your body won't force enough blood into your penis and you will be left with a weak erection. That's why your penis size not increase. It's basically a semi-flaccid erection and might not be strong enough for sexual intercourse. You need a certain degree of hardness for penetration. Men's weakness is very common nowadays. Every third person suffers from this disease, especially young people are affected by the disease. There can be many causes of male weakness. Watching dirty videos, dirty stories and relationship with underage women create a strong desire for intercourse. A male weakness is caused by insufficient blood flow to the penis sponge-like tissues. When the penis does not get a high enough level of blood flow, the penis cannot expand fully. Also, if the sponge tissues cannot hold the blood, this also restrains the penis from going to its full size. A sexual problem or sexual dysfunction refers to a problem during any phase of the sexual response cycle that prevent the man or couple from experiencing satisfaction from the activity. If a man is not married, then he works with masturbation and gradually he gets into this nasty habit. This habit weakens the man's sexual power and makes the person unable to do sexual intercourse properly, and he is afraid to the name of marriage. But unfortunately, in our society, other methods such as surgery later cause a variety of the infection that can cause a person to suffer from other major diseases. Now you can increase your penis size as you want. Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is not only increase the size of and width of your penis, but also hold many other benefits, including the ability to hold more blood, increase blood circulation, resulting in the stronger erection and sexual performance after just a few short weeks of using this therapy. You will notice the effects of the increased circulation and your penis hanging noticeably lower. Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy also promote proper nerve and tissues health and will actually increase sensation and feeling to the penis, resulting in rock hard erection anytime you wish. Regular exercising of the penis will also develop a very muscular look, surely standing out from the average penis in the locker room. The main benefit of Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is produce permanent result. When you use Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, the cells in the penis are being constantly stretched and healed in the larger state. All of medicine that have been added in this penis enlargement therapy are simple but expensive to perform, safe and do not causes any pain. In fact, they are actually quite pleasant. This therapy have no side effects, no pumps and definitely no surgery, just pure natural herbal medicine. It also holds many other benefits, including the ability to hold more blood and increase blood circulation, resulting in stronger erection and performance. After just a few short weeks of using this therapy, you will notice the effect of the increased circulation and your penis hanging noticeably lower. Penis enlargement therapy is also promote proper nerve and tissue health and will actually increase sensation and feeling to the penis, resulting in the rock hard erection anytime you wish. This therapy comes in the different forms that help and struggling with a healthy male life. Choosing male enhancement Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is our number one recommendation. It takes the pride of place because of its performance and positive result. We manufactured come up with the unique product combining efficacy with safety. We have had a stream of happy customers writing to me with their success stories. It gives me a high to note that the rate of success with this venous enlargement therapy is an outstanding 98%. Viewers, by using Taasir Ultra Advanced Venous Enlargement Therapy, you can also cure these venous diseases, other types of venous problem, infection in this penis, loose penis, inflammation in the penis, loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, masturbation in the penis, muscular fracture in the penis, bent penis, weak from root, ring in the middle of the penis, paralyzed penis. This course is an valuable gift for all these gentlemen who want to increase their manly strength and energy. It is unique product made from the world's most erotic herbs to enhance stamina, pleasure, confidence and strength of a man. It contains heat and energy generating herbs which increase blood circulation in the tissue of the penis that helps to increase the size of the penis, adds to its erectile strength and gives strength to whole body. Ultra Advanced Venous Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Ultra Advanced Venous Enlargement Therapy is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method. Up-to-date machinery in the Taasir Pharma Private Limited. Its benefits: regain and maintain your most intense primal sexual urges, increase your testosterone level, increase your semen and ejaculatory power, promote fertility, improve your blood circulation, gain the length, size and weight of your penis and testicle, improve your sexual nervous system, treat male impotency, prolong erection even with interruption and after ejaculation, boost your sexual energy level, balance your hormones level, spark your exciting sexual relationship, create deep sexual satisfaction for your partner. Fast acting, no side effect. Treatment: Taasir Dawkhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all diseases by using Taasir Ultra Advanced Venous Enlargement Therapy by Taasir Dawkhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taasir Dawkhana, work under the supervision of Dr. Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taasir. Qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and hakims with prolonged research. Taasir Ultra Advanced Venous Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It's prepared from the herbs and 100% effective. It's prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery. Precautions: after researching various natural herbs in the high light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and its long medical observation, discover the safe and effective method and effective Taasir Ultra Advanced Venous Enlargement Therapy and complete cure for restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that is the only cure which does not have any side effect. Avoid smoking and drugs altogether. Light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature and movies. So viewers, if you or your known person male weakness problem, then come to Taasir Dawkhana and use Taasir Ultra Advanced Venous Enlargement Therapy, which will cure all penis diseases and male weakness problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new diseases topic and its treatment. It's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah.